There is a deep conversation happening between God and Moses. The Bible says, God said to Moses, Moses, I need you to go to Pharaoh and tell Pharaoh that he must let my people go and meet me in the desert to worship me. It's very interesting, ladies and gentlemen, that God does not introduce the concept of a promised land and Canaan to Moses and the Israelites while they are in bondage. There is a reason to that. Because God wanted to meet them first in the desert. What is a desert? A desert is a place beyond the limits of civilization. A desert is a place with less resources. A desert is a place of uncomfortabilities. A desert is a place where you are able to connect to your humanity and realize that without God, you are nothing. A desert is a place where you utilize your knees and your mouth to communicate to your master. It was only when the people of Israel came to the desert that God was able to clarify to them why he needed them in the desert. The purpose was to take them to the promised land. Ladies and gentlemen, no matter how hard your desert may be at this moment, I want you to know that God is busy with you, preparing you for your Canaan, because your Canaan is just around the corner. God bless you and keep on winning.